Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm first starting out with individual braids all around my head. All of my parts weren't perfect, but it's whatever. I was just trying to get the job done, so I decided to record off camera. I'm using Unbound hair. They were nice enough to send me some hair. This is 24-inch butterfly locks. It came with a crochet needle as well, and I'm also using some water wave blonde hair. The water wave hair I just got from the beauty supply store. So as you can see, I had did almost my whole head off camera just to minimize the amount of time I needed to record. So first I am showing you the method farther away and then closer away. So I will be crocheting the hair in my head. So I place the needle through my head. I'm attaching the hair to it, pulling it through, and then I'm using that loop to pull through the actual braid of my hair. And so then I'm just going to tighten that, and that's basically all I did to get the hair connected to my head. So now I'm taking the water wave hair and I'm just going to wrap it around the faux lock and my actual hair braid. So at the top I'm going to wrap it around tight, and then since this is supposed to be a butterfly lock distress look, I did kind of wrap it loosely in some areas. And so as you can see, I live for messy looks majority of the time. So this look, I did not want the hairstyle to be perfect. I wanted it to give that butterfly distress look. So I'm just going to do that all around my hair until I get all the way to the bottom. Also with the water wave hair, I made sure both pieces of the hair were different lengths. So once I get to the bottom of my hair, I'm just going to be using some Got2b spray, and I'm just going to be spraying that at the ends of the hair and twisting it, and just making sure that it's secured. So now I'm basically going to be doing the same steps. It's just a more up close look at it. I'm grabbing that loop, I'm pulling my braid through the loop, and then I'm just going to tighten it all together. Then I'll be taking my water wave hair and wrapping it around the lock. It's just very, very easy, very simple. Something kind of quick, not really, that you could do on your own instead of paying almost $300 however many dollars that people be paying for this hairstyle. But this is just something super simple, super easy, and very simple. So if you haven't heard of Unbound hair, I definitely suggest you guys check them out. I will be adding their Amazon store link down below, so just be on the lookout for that. So to seal my whole look, I would just be using some of my mousse, and I'm just going to rub that all around my head. For reference, this hair is 24 inches and I am 5'3", and this hair touches my butt, goes you know, a little bit past my butt, but this hair is very long. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I'm loving it. The parts is giving. The hair, it's lightweight. I do have all 72 or 73 locks in my hair, but the install was very simple, very easy. The distressed locks themselves, they helped out so much. I absolutely love this hair. This hair is like 24 inches, but if the hair is a little past my butt, which is perfect, but I love this hair and I definitely recommend this hair to anyone, especially if you want some 613, because I know it's very hard to find 613 or any type of colors in the store. But if you're one of the girls looking for distressed hair already and all you need to do is just wrap it yourself, I definitely suggest this. So don't forget to comment,